Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have a speaking practice. Using my favorite sports.
Hi, I'm Emma. My favorite sport is swimming. I love playing in the water. I swim with my friends every weekend. It helps me stay strong and healthy. Swimming makes me very happy.
Hi, I'm Liam. I like playing soccer. I kick the ball and run fast. My dad teaches me how to play. I want to be a soccer player one day. Soccer is fun and exciting.
Hi, I'm Sophia. Basketball is my favorite sport. I enjoy bouncing the ball and shooting hoops. I play with my classmates at school. It makes me feel energetic. I always smile when I play basketball.
Hi, I'm Noah. I love my riding bicycle. I ride around the park every afternoon. It's fun and good for my legs. Sometimes I race with my brother. Riding bikes is the best.
Hi, I'm Anna. My favorite sport is gymnastics. I like to do cartwheels and flips. It makes me strong and flexible. My coach helps me practice. Gymnastics is beautiful and fun.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I enjoy playing badminton. I hit the shuttlecock with my racket. My mom and I play in the backyard. It's easy to learn and so much fun. Badminton is my favorite sport.
Hi, I'm Mia. I love dancing as my sport. I take dance classes every Saturday. I wear a pink dress and dance to music. Dancing makes me feel free. It's my favorite way to move.
Hi, I'm James. Table tennis is my favorite. I play it with my uncle. We hit the ball fast back and forth. I always try to win. It's a cool and fun game.
Hi, I'm Isabella. I like skating the most. I wear my skate and glide around. It feels like flying on the ground. Sometimes they fall, but they get back up. Skating is awesome.
Hi, I'm Lucas. My favorite sport is baseball. I love hitting the ball with the bat. I run to the bases and score points. My friends and I play on weekends. Baseball makes me feel strong. Thanks for listening.